Hi everyone, in today's video, we are covering the Primary 5 topic, area of triangle. Let's go to the question. The figure below shows triangle ABD. When the base is AD, what is the height of triangle ABD? So our very first step is to find where is this triangle in the question. So we're going to use our pen here and outline triangle ABD as such. In any question, there might be a few triangles, and it's a good idea to identify the correct triangle given in the question. So when the base is AD, we are going to now use a highlighter to highlight AD, which is the base. And one of the ways that we want to extend this further, as part of my home tuition program, I encourage my students to actually draw these lines as such over here. Now these lines are to signify that this is actually the base laying on the ground for the triangle. And as we would already know by now, the base and the height of the triangle must be perpendicular. Let's make that perpendicular angle over here. So one of the considerations for the base must be part of the triangle. Must be a solid part of the triangle. The height in this case can be imaginary. So if we notice over here, there is a right angle that is shown over here, and if we extend out from the base, we can actually find a perpendicular height. So by doing this, we can tell that the height over here is actually BC, which is perpendicular to the base AD. So this would be my height, this would be the base. So as a recap, we also need to know that the area of a triangle is given by half times base times height, which we may require in the next few questions. So we have already solved for this question. The height of triangle ABD is actually given by BC. So the answer is number 3. So let's do a quick recap of what we did for this question. We started off by identifying where is triangle ABD in the question. We outlined the question, the triangle ABD over here as required by the question, and we looked for the base AD. We highlighted in yellow, and we use our blue pen here to draw the marks here to show that this is actually lying on the ground, and this is the base given to us. And we've come across this point where the base and height of any triangle have to be perpendicular to each other. So it means that we're looking out for a height that can form a right angle to the base given here. So in this case, we have found that is BC, and we have covered that the base must be part of the triangle. It must be a solid. And for future reference, if needed, we need to use the formula area equals to half times base times height in the next few questions. Well, I'll see you in the next one, and take care. Bye-bye.